Welcome to our drawing of the White House. Recently, we've been talking about what holidays are in February, and we said that President's Day is coming up, so we're going to be drawing a White House in honor of President's Day. Let's get started. We're going to be using both geometric and organic shapes to draw our White House. Can we all say geometric? Good job. We learned that geometric shapes are any shape that has a name or rules. So for example, we are going to start with a rectangle for our drawing of the White House, right? Would a rectangle be geometric or organic? It would be geometric because it has a name and it has rules. We're also going to be using some organic shapes for certain things, like the bushes, maybe putting clouds in the sky. Right? Organic shapes are shapes that come from nature. Can we all say organic? Nice job. Right, so today we're going to start using simple organic and geometric shapes to draw our White House. I'm going to begin with a large rectangle, which is my geometric shape, in the middle of my artwork. Right, notice that I've left some room on the top and on the bottom, because later on we need to add the triangle and our flag for the top of our White House, and we're going to add some decorations like bushes, and maybe you can even draw the fountain if you would like. All right, so as I keep going, I'm going to draw the triangle in the middle of the building. That's a geometric shape. I'm going to draw the flag, and I'm going to draw another rectangle. So we can see that I'm just using really simple organic and geometric shapes to draw details for our White House. Right? Details give us more information, and they are almost like the decorations we see. Now, someone that is an architect designed the White House. Can we all say architect? Nice job. An architect is someone who builds and designs buildings. So an architect designed the White House. That means they planned it out, how it would look, and then they helped build it. Architects also build other things like houses, malls, stores. This school was built and designed by an architect, right? And so that's why we need to make sure we have all the little details, because an architect thought of those and made it look like the White House. Next, we're going to do the 4 columns going down. A column is a long pillar that helps hold up houses or buildings. Right? So I'm going to do 2 on the side, nice long rectangle, and then I'm going to try to space 2 in the middle. We don't want to make them too big though, because I'm going to make room for my door. I'm going to maybe put like a window in here. I'm going to put the crisscross for the window panes. I'm going to do the same thing in the middle here. Now the front of the White House has a lot of windows. So I'm also going to do 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. If we think about that, how many is that in total? 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. If you guessed 8, that would be correct. So I'm going to do 4 rectangles on the bottom, and then 4 on the top. And we want to try to make these neat as possible, but we're trying our best when we're doing our drawing. Right, I'm going to put my details in the window for the windowsill. And then there is some architecture designs above each of the windows. So we're going to try our best to add all of our details. Now, if we did 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top here, we're going to do the same thing to the other side, because the White House is even. All right, you can see that my other side is complete, and I need to do now the architectural details on top for my other side. This is where we can start to add some organic shapes. The organic shapes are shapes that come from nature, so we could do like the bushes that are in front of the White House, mostly in the springtime. If you'd also like to add some flowers or the fountain in our picture, you can do so now, right? We also need to make sure we make the line for the grass, right? And I'm gonna just do a few flowers so you can see how I draw them, right? I'll get my leaves and the different petals, right? And I can do some on both sides. So right, I finished drawing my flowers, and you can also do the fountain too if you want. The last step is going to be that you can draw some organic shapes for your clouds in the sky. Once you finish out doing your pencil, you can start to trace with marker. Good job. Good luck today.